Hello everyone. Let us learn about India and its neighboring countries. Which is our country? Yes, India is our country. We all Indians love our country. It is a very huge country and very beautiful country. We are proud of our nation. India is our motherland. India is located in the southern part of Asia. Asia is the largest continent on the earth. We are live in this continent. India measures around 3,214 kilometers from north to south. 3,933 kilometers from east to west. India is the 7th largest country in the world in area, and India is the second most populated country in the world. China is the first populated country and India is the second populated country. India is divided into a smaller divisions called states and union territories. India has 28 states and union territories. India has 28 states and 9 union territories. India is the northern boundary of India is very high mountain ranges. It is protected by high mountain ranges in the world, the Himalayas. The Himalayas is the highest mountain ranges in the world. It stretches from Jammu Kashmir to Arunachal Pradesh. The Himalayas stretches from Jammu Kashmir to Arunachal Pradesh. So now we come to the southern part of India. India is a peninsula. India is a peninsula. What is a peninsula? Peninsula is a land surrounded by water on three sides. A land surrounded by water on three sides. India is surrounded by water on three sides. India has surrounded by water on three sides are Arabian Sea in the west, Bay of Bengal in the east, Indian Ocean in the south. So these three water bodies covered by India. So India is a peninsula. So we called India is a peninsula. The southernmost tip of the mainland is Kanyakumari. The southernmost tip of the mainland. This is Kanyakumari. Kanyakumari is in Tamil Nadu. However, the southernmost tip of the India, the southernmost tip of India is Indira Point. This point is there, no? This is Indira Point. Indira Point is in Andaman and Nicobar Island. Indira Point is in Andaman and Nicobar Island. So next we move to the India's neighboring countries. India's neighboring countries are Pakistan, Afghanistan, Kazakhstan, China, Nepal, Bhutan, Bangladesh, Myanmar, Sri Lanka and Maldives. All these are our neighboring countries. Let us start with Pakistan. This is a Pakistan. Pakistan capital is Islamabad. Pakistan capital is Islamabad. It is very small compared to India. It is very small compared to India. It is 1/5 of India's size. It is 1/5 of India's size. Pakistan shares a long border right from Jammu Kashmir to Gujarat. Right from Jammu Kashmir to Gujarat. We import many things from Pakistan like oil, sugar, fruits from Pakistan. Next comes Afghanistan. Capital of Afghanistan is Kabul. Kabul, Afghanistan is very small compared to India and it shares a narrow border with India. India shares a narrow border with Afghanistan. Next comes Kazakhstan. This is Kazakhstan. Kazakhstan also our neighboring country. It is very small compared to India. Next comes China. This is China. China is also our neighboring country. It is a very huge country. China is very huge country and it is 3 times of India's size. It is 3 times of India's size. Think children how much big it is. It is, China export many things to India. China export many things to India like electric machines, laptops, mobiles, clothes, large machines. So many things from China. Next comes Nepal. This is Nepal. Nepal is also our neighboring country and it is very good relationship with India. Nepal is very small country compared to India. It is 1/20th of India's size. It is 1/20th of India's size. It is very small country. It is Nepal shares the Himalayas. Nepal shares the Himalayas. We import many things from Nepal and Nepal is full of mountain. Nepal is covered by full of mountain. So next comes Bhutan. This is Bhutan. Bhutan capital is Thimphu. It is much smaller than India. It is much smaller than India. It is 1/100th of India's size. It is 1/100th of India's size. Bhutan is located in the Himalayas. Bhutan is located in the Himalayas. It is full of mountain area. We import many things from Bhutan like clothes, tea, coffee, clothes, footwear from Bhutan. Bhutan in between China and India. Bhutan in between China and India. That side China is there and this side India is there. Bhutan is in between of 2 countries. Next comes Bangladesh. This is Bangladesh. The capital of Bangladesh is Dhaka. Bangladesh is also very small country compared to India. Very small country compared to India. It is 1/30th of India's size. It is 1/30th of India's size and Bangladesh also very good relationship with India. We import many things from Bangladesh. Next comes Myanmar. This is Myanmar. Myanmar is full of forest. Huge amount of forest is there. So we get many timber from Myanmar. So we get many timber from Myanmar. It is 1/5 of India's size. It is 1/5 of India's size. We import many things from Myanmar like ginger, turmeric, so many things we import from Myanmar. So next comes Sri Lanka. This is Sri Lanka. Sri Lanka is also our neighboring country and it is an island. It is an island. It is separated by a narrow stretch of water. It is separated by a narrow stretch of water. See here, the narrow stretch of water is called Park Strait. This is a Park Strait. See here, this is Park Strait. A narrow stretch of water is called Park Strait. So next comes Maldives. This is Maldives. Maldives is the group of island. Maldives is group of island. It is one of our neighboring country. All these are our neighboring countries. Thank you.